Ngibingelele kuwe mlaleli, ngiyathemba ukuthi phela-ke mina ngizocela kuwe-ke laphana-ke ukuthi-ke uma ngabe usamusha-ke kulo-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke wenze okulungile-ke laphana-ke ungixhase-ke ucindezele-ke ibhathini usubscribe nje, akubizi imali, kumahhala nje ukhishwe nesenti-ke elimnyama-ke leli-ke khonza ukwazi ukuthi-ke uthole nezinye-ke iy'ndaba-ke ezintsha-ke nje sizobe sikufakela zona-ke kulo-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke kusukela-ke manje-ke ukuze ungaphuzi izindaba ongenza njengamanje ukuthi-ke ngabe ucindezela-ke ibhathini subscribe njengamanje-ke. Udaba kulethele lona-ke namhlanje-ke laphana-ke sivela-ke ukuthi-ke MK-ke laphana-ke siphazamiseke i-ANC na-ke laphana-ke e-KZN-ke lapha, kodwa-ke angifuni-ke mina ukuthi-ke wezwa ngami kuphela nje into nje udlala-ke ividiyo-ke yomlisa-ke ezishoyo yena-ke eveza-ke okuningi-ke laphana-ke. Mina-ke ngicela lapha simasuzwile-ke le video le, ngena kuma-comment section-ke ubhale-ke uvo lwakho uthi na ucabangani-ke ngalo-ke lolu daba-ke lolu-ke masucindezela nebhathini nje usubscribe nje, akubizi imali, kumahhala nje ukhishwe nesenti-ke elimnyama-ke leli-ke khonza ukwazi ukuthi-ke uthole nezinye-ke iy'ndaba-ke ezintsha-ke engiy'fakayo kulo-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke kusukela-ke manje-ke. Nayo-ke le video-ke awuyithokozele.
So the ANC dismantled the leadership of KZN ye-ANC. So in short, i-MK igwaze i-ANC yagwazeka KwaZulu Natal. So guys, if i-ANC bakhendle and futhi bahlakaza i-leadership yabo in the KZN because of the number of votes, so kusho ukuthi i-MK igwazile ANC. They need to admit that in KZN. So if i-ANC dismantle KZN, it means ukuthi KZN is gone. Rest in peace, ANC. So just like the Western Cape. So what I see now, Northern Cape is next. I see Gauteng is next. Later, Mpumalanga will be next. I think ANC, they are more comfortable with the Limpopo, the Free State, and the Eastern Cape. La kungana service delivery khona. Sazokhala ku ANC. Let me show you what Ufikile Mbalula said.
You ask about the KZN and what people say. We know where we are now. We think we know what happened in KZN. Even before we went to KZN, we know what happened. Our decisions are going to be informed by that. And we have come to a conclusion about what happens there. And we just have to consolidate about what needs to be done in KwaZulu-Natal to assist the ANC. We have been battered, but we know that battering is from within the ranks of the ANC. That members of the ANC, disgruntled or whatever you can say about them, have made a choice not to work for the party, but to work for Jacob Zuma. So that's what we have in terms of KZN.
Yabona mina guys, azange ngiyibone le. It's like a political party with 6 months experience. It destroyed a political party with over 100 years. Guys, mina azange ngiyibone le. I'm sure I with dangerous baba.